Understanding waltz around in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, waltz around. This phrase is not just about dancing, but it's packed with meaning and is used in various contexts. Let's dive in to understand its nuances and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. Waltz around is an idiomatic expression in English. The verb, waltz, originally refers to a graceful and smooth dance, known for its flowing movements. When we say someone is waltzing around, it metaphorically means they are moving or doing something in an effortless, confident, or sometimes careless manner. This phrase often carries the connotation of someone moving through tasks or problems with ease, or avoiding them skillfully. Let's see how waltz around can be used in different sentences. 1. In a literal sense, she waltzed around the room, her dress flowing behind her. 2. Figuratively, he just waltzes around the office, avoiding any real work. 3. In a critical tone, you can't just waltz around the rules like they don't apply to you. In these examples, we see the versatility of the phrase in different contexts, from literal dancing to figurative expressions of ease and avoidance. It's important not to confuse waltz around with simply walking or moving around. The phrase has a specific connotation of ease, grace, or avoidance, which is lost if used to describe plain movement. Also, remember that it's often used in a figurative sense rather than literally. Waltz around is a unique and expressive phrase in the English language, conveying more than just movement. It's about doing things with a certain ease, confidence, or sometimes nonchalance. We hope this video helps you understand and use waltz around more effectively in your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.